What is up, YouTube? I am Joseph is Insane. I messed up the last recording, but something came in, and we got the portable keyboard Compaq Ipaq. So, this is something new I collected from remember. Wow. So, as you can see, it's like any type of keyboard, but they made it portable for all the computers. And wow, honestly, if I could get this to work, it might actually work. I've seen some people use this, and honestly, this is actually kind of amazing to see what old technology was like back then. We don't get this a lot, and I really would love to experiment with this thing. Like, seriously, I would love to do some experimental videos like MKD does. Michael MKD does a lot of cool experimental videos. I love watching them. And I want to do something like that with this portable keyboard I just got. Like, seriously, I would love to do that. Like, seriously. Should I try getting it to work on a Ubuntu? Because that's what I use. So it's like any other computer keyboard. But you see, the thing is, it is way different. Because they put tape on it so it doesn't fall off. And I like that detail because they obviously didn't want it to like break. So they just put tape on it. I'm not going to ruin it. It's just going to stay in my room for decoration. But I would love to do an experimental video on this. It's called a Targus, a tradition of excellence. And it's a stowaway, it's a stowaway portable keyboard. Wow, okay. But honestly, would I do experimental videos on this? Yes, I would. I would definitely love to try experimenting with this. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is just seeing how technology has changed over the past few decades. It's just wow. We went from portable keyboards to actual keyboards to like many great things. And that's what I just want to talk about. This thing I got. This is what they used for their computers, I guess. I don't really know. But I know this is a short video. But I am going to give this portable keyboard a 8.5 out of 10. Now, I would say this. Yeah, it could easily break, but it didn't, so thank God. But it can easily break. Like, I mean, I could just put this back on, it's fine. But seeing this amazes me. So, yeah, look at that. Look at that. But anyways, if I should do more reviews on retro stuff, put it down in the comment section below if I should. And if I should do an experimental video on it, let me know. I would definitely love to do that. I would honestly love to mess with this. I would honestly love messing with this thing if I had the chance to. But yeah, this is Joseph is Insane. Like, comment, subscribe. I am going to start more reactions. It's just taking a bit. But yeah, honestly, cheers for the thumbnail. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you have anything I should review, comment about, let me know. And I'll get to that. So, see ya. Bye.